So if you ever wonder why we bury our broccoli and cauliflower plants down deeper, this here is a cauliflower plant here, and you can see that it's putting the roots out on the stem. So we make our hole deeper here. And I'm just gonna put this plant in here, make it a little deeper. And then I'm going to fill the soil back in around here. And that's going to grow more roots out on this stem. And as this plant grows and matures, the extra roots are going to give it more stability in the ground. And it's also going to help with nutrient absorption.